guys. Welcome back to another video. This is the latest update. Today, American game developer Hidden Path Entertainment has announced the release date for its upcoming tabletop strategy game, Brass Tactics. According to the press release, the forthcoming virtual reality titles will launch on February 22nd for $39.99. However, if you decide to pre-order the game, which is now available through the official Oculus Store, you only have to pay $24.99. In Brass Tactics, players will have access to 6+ hours of single-player campaign, 3 gameplay modes, and more than 20 maps to play on. On top of that, gamers will have the option to customize their units and army during campaign mode, from a wide selection of features. Additionally, the developer also announced that the game is getting a free-to-play edition titled Brass Tactics Arena, and will be released on February 15th, 7 days before the full game is available. Brass Tactics Arena will allow gamers unlimited access to online and single-player matches and serves more as a demo for those unsure about picking up the full version of the game. If you are interested, registration for Brass Tactics Arena is now live. For more information on the title, you can check out the game official website. Brass Tactics is set to launch next month exclusively for the Oculus Rift. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do like and share this video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button for more such future updates. Thank you.